Hey guys, this is Brian Kandeski with Fix and Flip for Life. Do you think it's possible to quit your job in 12 months? I can tell you right now, it is absolutely possible. We have got students all over the country that are quitting their job and enjoying life, being their own boss as a real estate investor. In this system, in this kit that you purchased, I'm going to tell you, you're not going to be alone. You're going to have our experience, you're going to have our knowledge. We've done over 1,000 deals, and we're going to help you with all the shortcuts needed to be a real estate investor.
The process is very simple.
You give us all the tools.
We're just going to build.
Actually just got a house on the market last week. I got a contract on it in 2 days, so there you go.
Are you swapping hours for dollars like most of the people in America? Are you doing the 9 to 5, the grind? Are you making your boss rich while you're sitting in a cubicle or at a desk grinding out every day? The miserable commute to the office, the miserable commute back, all those games that you've missed of your kids. I'm telling you right now, you can become your own boss and have your own real estate business. Now, in this system that we created, Fix and Flip for Life, we named it that for a few reasons. Number one, we want you to fix and flip for the rest of your life. I started roughly 20 years ago. This August of 2000 will be my 20th year of me being my own boss. At this point, I don't think I'd ever be employable again. I never want to be employed again. I love the life that I live. I love being able to be at the kids' games and to be with my wife and be with my family and do the things that I want, go on vacations that I want. Take out the money thing. Let's just talk strictly time and you being your own boss and having that freedom. That's priceless. You're gonna fix and flip for the rest of your life, and also you're gonna fix and flip for your life. Like, this is your life. This is what you're gonna become, and it's gonna change your life. Like the freedom that you're gonna have, knowing that you're working hard, but you're working hard for you and for your family. This is just a short little intro video, just to let you know that I'm here for you. We've done over 1,000 houses. I've been doing this for almost 20 years, and I'm gonna give you the shortcuts. I'm gonna share the knowledge that I've learned. I've made lots of mistakes. I'm hoping instead of starting here, you're gonna start here. I hope you're way more successful than me. The fears of being a real estate investor, they're really not there. We can knock down those walls and we can show you that the fears that you have, they're just not true. The lack of money, finding a contract, and it's too hard, things could go wrong. You can overcome those hurdles. I'm excited that you purchased this kit, and I'm just excited for us to go on that journey together. Thanks.